Welcome everyone. I'm excited to kick off our materials sorting presentation today. This is the materials sorting presentation, and I hope you're as eager as I am to explore this important topic. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key concepts, best practices, and some practical tips for effective materials sorting. So let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the sorting process. This part is really central to understanding how materials are efficiently separated and prepared for recycling or disposal. We'll explore the different methods used, from manual sorting to automated systems, and discuss how each plays a vital role in ensuring that the right materials are processed correctly. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the effort and technology involved in making our waste management more sustainable. Throughout this section, I'll highlight how effective sorting supports environmental goals and resource conservation, tying everything back to the bigger picture of responsible waste handling. Today, I want to introduce you to the concept of materials sorting. Essentially, materials sorting is all about organizing different types of materials into specific groups. This might sound simple, but it plays a really important role in many areas. For example, in recycling, sorting helps us separate plastics, metals, and paper so they can be processed properly. It's also a key step in waste management, ensuring that materials are handled efficiently and responsibly. And in manufacturing, sorting ensures that raw materials are categorized correctly for production. Overall, effective materials sorting is crucial because it helps improve recycling rates, reduces waste, and supports sustainable practices across various industries. So, understanding how and why we sort materials is a fundamental part of managing resources wisely and protecting our environment. Now, let's take a closer look at the sorting process. First, we have sorting into groups, which is all about categorizing materials to make recycling more efficient. This involves identifying different types of materials, such as plastics, metals, and organic materials, so each can be processed appropriately. Next, we need to distinguish between these materials accurately, since each type requires specific handling. You might wonder how this is done. Well, it can be manual, with workers sorting by hand, or automated, using machines equipped with sensors that can quickly and precisely identify materials. The benefits of effective sorting are significant. It helps reduce contamination, which is crucial for producing high-quality recycled materials. It also boosts recycling rates and supports resource recovery, ensuring that we make the most out of the materials we collect. Overall, efficient sorting is a key step in the entire recycling process, helping us turn waste into valuable resources while protecting our environment. Let's take a closer look at some of the techniques used in sorting. First, we have mechanical separation. This method relies on machines like shredders and classifiers. These tools physically separate materials based on size, shape, or other physical properties. It's a very efficient way to handle large volumes of waste and prepare them for further processing. Next, there's optical sorting. This technique uses advanced cameras and imaging systems to identify materials visually. The system can distinguish items based on color, shape, or even texture. Once identified, the system automatically sorts the materials accordingly. Both methods are crucial in the overall waste management process because they improve efficiency and accuracy. Mechanical separation handles the bulk, while optical sorting ensures precise identification. Together, they help us move towards more sustainable and effective recycling practices. Let's talk about the importance of sorting, especially when it comes to our environment. Effective sorting plays a crucial role in reducing environmental impact. When we sort waste properly, we can recover valuable materials that might otherwise go to waste. This not only helps in conserving natural resources, but also reduces the need to extract new, virgin materials from the earth. Additionally, proper sorting significantly contributes to pollution reduction. By minimizing waste that ends up in landfills, we decrease environmental contamination and the release of harmful substances. This whole process ties back to our goal of creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly waste management system. When we all do our part in sorting correctly, we're helping protect the planet for future generations. Let's take a closer look at the economic benefits of improved waste sorting. First, we see cost savings. By enhancing our sorting processes, we can reduce disposal costs significantly. When we recover more materials efficiently, it not only benefits the environment but also makes economic sense, leading to greater overall efficiency. Next, there's the aspect of job creation. The sorting industry isn't just about handling waste. It's a vital sector that generates numerous employment opportunities across various fields. From operational roles to technical positions, it contributes to economic growth and community development. Connecting these points back to our overall theme, investing in better sorting isn't just good for the environment. It's a smart economic move that can foster growth and stability in our communities. Let's wrap up with some key takeaways. First, effective sorting of materials is absolutely crucial for both environmental sustainability and economic viability. When we sort properly, we reduce waste, conserve resources, and support a healthier planet. At the same time, it can make economic sense by improving the quality and value of the recovered materials. Second, investing in modern sorting technologies really pays off. Advanced systems can boost the efficiency of the entire process and significantly increase the recovery rates. This means more usable materials are reclaimed and waste is minimized. Overall, these points highlight how important it is to prioritize smart sorting solutions. Doing so aligns with our broader goal of creating a more sustainable and efficient waste management system. Now, I'd like to take a moment to extend our heartfelt acknowledgements. A big thank you to everyone who has been involved in the materials sorting processes and the technologies behind them. These efforts are truly the backbone of the entire system we've been discussing today. Their dedication and innovation enable us to move forward toward more sustainable and efficient waste management solutions. Recognizing their hard work helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of each step in the process. Ultimately, their contributions connect directly to the broader goal of improving our environmental impact and creating smarter, more effective recycling methods. Thank you so much for your attention today. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here and engage with the material. I hope you found the presentation insightful and that it sparked some new ideas or perspectives for you. Remember, the key points we discussed are all about understanding the core concepts and how they connect to our overall goals. Your participation is what makes these sessions valuable. Once again, thank you for being such an attentive audience. I look forward to any questions or discussions you might have. Have a great day.